Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf with another Make Money Online 2024 done for you affiliate marketing business. As you can see, online consistent money has still been paying me on a regular basis, and I have some great news for you when you stay to the end for the bonuses and how I'm going to start your business. Yes, you're not going to have to set up anything. And as you can see here, I'm holding my 50K trophy award. I have other trophies. This is an award I have to put up on my wall back right over here. And I'm going to end up doing that soon. But by then, I'll have my $100,000 trophy. So enough about me. I fired my boss in 2016. Let's talk about you. And let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when you sell other people's stuff. What are we selling here? We are selling memberships, just like a Costco, Sam's Club, whatever big wholesale store you have. We sell wholesale traffic and we give a 40% off discount, okay? So what's happening here? So basically, I call this phone money because when you come over here, this is the product. You have there's a phone number for your lead to dial, and it's going to have your name on it, not mine. But in your instance, when you go to the link in the description below, you're going to see my name, you're going to see my phone, this phone number here, which is for everyone. You're just going to say, hey, Scott Darvid sent you, and just say I seen his YouTube video. It was very great. If you like it, if not, then I'm just showing you how to make money online. So how do you get started, Scott, and what am I going to do for you? So first off, this is the link that we're going to be going to in the description there. And before you actually go down there, you're going to have to stay due to the fact that I want to show you and tell you your bonus for taking fast action today, okay? So ask yourself, do you want to, this is proven already? Do you want to discover the fastest way? It's sitting right in front of you, but ultimately, do you want to make $800, $2,400, and $4,000 per sale that the company makes for you? They make them for me. All I do is share, and that's getting into my bonus. And I have universities that certain clients get when they come into my business. Okay, so once you put your email address here, you're going to be directed to a bridge page. What's a bridge page? It bridges between the sales page and the capture page, and it gives you a brief synopsis, a 14-minute synopsis of how this is the fastest way to make money online. It works. It works. I've been with it for over a year now. It works very, very well. And I worked it very part-time, an hour a day, okay? So you're going to want to watch this, and then we're going to go back to this page where the number is because I want to show you some success. But this video right here, this video explains the product. It explains what the product is. It explains the traffic, how you need that. It's like a car needs gas, an online business needs traffic. You follow me? So if that makes sense, and a plane that it needs jet fuel. Here we're giving you advertising at a discounted wholesale club rate, okay? So now let's see who's succeeding here. You have Carol here. She's an OCM member. She's blowing it up. And again, $800, $2,400, and $4,000 sales. That is very, 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 very appealing to fire your boss, because I fired my boss with big high ticket affiliate marketing, okay? And I'm going to go over the first two bonuses here. Bonus number one, you do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and the telling for you. Bonus number two, we make the sales for you. You keep 100% of the commission. Let me repeat myself. We make the sales for you and you keep 100% of the commission, just as if you would if you sold them yourself. That is huge, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to go through everything. You could go through this in a fine-tooth comb and call the phone number. They'll answer all your questions. That's what's great. This is what you call leverage. It's called supreme leverage. That's what I call it, because it helps me leverage my time to do other businesses, spend time with my family. But I worked at it, and I did it part-time for 2 years until I fired my boss, okay? So does OCM really work? Yes, and you can get cash in the mail, cashier's check in the mail. Daniel from Naples, Florida, 12,800 in just 4 days. I mean, unbelievable. I think my best day was $5,200. Unbelievable system, unbelievable closing team. Look at Michael C. in Alabama, and you'll be able to go through all these when you go to that link in the description below. Michael C., 4,200 in 3 weeks. Now, will that help you pay a few bills? I bet it would. And we're going to keep coming down here. We have Kevin C. here, 6,400 in just 1 week, folks. It gets better and better. This is the family of the owner, Bob Housden. They're down in Florida. He does all the calls, and he has a team he brings on when it gets busy. And it's been busy because sales have been coming in, and I haven't been doing much of anything but look at my email daily and getting updates from them, okay? We even have a zero out-of-pocket starting of financing, okay? If you want to start your business zero out-of-pocket and you qualify, go right ahead. That's using other people's money to make more money. Gotcha? Gotcha. Click here for the zero out. This is step-by-step instructions. When you click on this, this is going to take you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Boom, and it's going to take you step by step, and there's not that many steps, so don't get scared. This is so simple. A child can do it, an elderly person can do it, because if you can write an email and call a phone number and speak to a salesperson who's selling on your behalf, you can do this. Not even a sales, speak with your team who's closing your business, running your business. This is called leveraging and outsourcing. Right here, just like Christina H. She's in the 10K club. It's unbelievable. So, folks, I'm going to end this right now with what my bonus is. Remember I said I had bonus at the beginning? So, respectfully, the levels are 1,000, 3,000, and 5,000, okay? And what I'm going to do, when you start at the gold, which is the 1,000, I'm going to send you 300 clicks, okay, to your link that looks like this, okay? So all the traffic comes here, people put their email in here, and then the autoresponder, that online consistent money hooks up, starts going out on your behalf, okay? Now let's go back over here. Starting at the second product package, which is the 2,400, the 3,000, which is the platinum, I'm gonna send you, okay? I'm gonna send you 500 clicks to this capture page that the online consistent money builds for you, connects your email and everything. So you'll have that running for you while you're doing other things. All right. And then last, if you come in at the 5,000, which is the diamond, that's where I am. I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks to this capture page right here. And remember, all you need is one person, because this is a big ticket business. It has a higher ticket margin. So the more traffic you send, you're not going to get it if it was a $20 product. So, but this is what's going to fire your boss. This is what puts the cash in your pocket. And this is what builds other things if you want to do that. Or you can save, pay your house off, do whatever you want. But anyway, folks, I hope you had a great video here. I look forward to speaking with you all. Make sure you smash the subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on my next YouTube video. Bye for now.